I've been talking about projectors for a long time on my channel. They're probably one of my favorite pieces of technology of all time. One of the first products I ever reviewed on my channel was the Optoma PK301 Pico projector. To this day, it remains one of the coolest things I have ever reviewed, which is why I'm excited that at CES 2018, Optoma unveiled the new UHD51A projector. Now, this is not just an ordinary projector. Optoma has bundled an Amazon Alexa into this projector, so you will not only be able to enjoy big screen movies from this projector, but you will also be able to tell it to turn down the lights, the temperature, and pretty much anything else in your house that is Alexa enabled. On top of that, this projector is able to put out some seriously high quality images. The UHD51A is able to show images with a 2400 lumen brightness, has a 500,000 to 1 contrast ratio, and is 4K compatible with HDR10 quality colors. On the back of this projector, you will find two HDMI 2.0 ports that can support 4K at 60 frames per second, making this projector a decent choice for anyone who might want to use it for gaming. And internally, you will find this projector is loaded up with Android OS, which also incorporates a 4K UHD media player. So while you are connected to Wi-Fi, you will not only have Alexa to assist you, but you will also be able to stream 4K content directly to this projector, no computer required. You can expect to find this projector hitting the market sometime in early 2018 for $1,700 and for getting a 4K quality projector mixed with an Amazon Echo, that seems like a pretty fair deal.